Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial video. My name is Geet Dhillon and today we're going to understand how do you go ahead and install WordPress on your local computer, basically on your computer by creating a server using the local software. All right. So this thing we have already established, like we have already done with WAMP also, and you can find the link for that also. So WAMP is another software which allows you to install WordPress locally on your computer and run it, and this can be used for demo and practice purposes. Right. Now today we're going to talk about the local software. So there are multiple softwares available. So let's just go ahead and first take a practical look and see how to install it, how to download it, how to install it, and how to set everything up. All right. So let's just go ahead. So guys, first, like what I'm going to do is in my Google, I'm going to type local download. Once I do that, you can see the first link from localwp.com. I'll just click on it and I will have an option to download it. Now, just remember in this, you will have to create an account, right? You can use either a temporary email or you can use, your original email. You just have to create an account. It's free to use. There's no bar, there's no restriction to it. It's just that you will have to create an account. All right. Now, if you don't do it now, later on, you will have to do it. So it's up to you. You do it now or do it later. It's your call. All right. So all you have to do is click on download. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for which platform. You select the platform. For us, it's Windows. You put your name, email, work email, phone number, and click on get it now. Right? Once you do that, it's going to get downloaded. Now, after downloading, we'll talk about the installation process. So guys, I have downloaded it and this is the software file. I've just put it on the desktop. Once you double click on it, you can see there's this, the first option over here. So do you want to install it for multiple users or just your PC? So I'm just going to select my PC. You let it install in whatever directory you want. And once that's done, it start the installation process. It might take a few minutes or it might take a little bit time. So I'll let it install. And alongside, I just want to tell you that there are multiple softwares for all of this options that we discussed, right? Now it says downloaded. I'll just talk about it later on. So I'll just going to click on finish and let it run. Okay. So once I run it, I will eventually have to log into the account, right? The setting up now, the benefits with this software is it is very easy to set up WordPress. You don't have to do so many things like create a database and do all that stuff, right? With this, it's a one-step procedure. It's right, you just create a website. For me, what it has done is, I think so, it's already logged in. No, okay, so let me just log into local. All right, so I'm just going to log in. I'm going to continue with my Google account. So I had actually used my original email, so that's why I just logged in from the Google account. If you have not, then you just have to put in the details of the email, the login details, and that will log you in. Now, once you do that, this is the interface which will be available to you. All right. Now, all you need to do over here is click on plus, and now it gives you an option to add a new site. Okay. Now, I'm just going to create a new site, and it's going to, start from the blank. I'm just going to select continue. Just the name of the site. Mine would be my demo site. Okay, you don't need to go for the advanced options. I'll just click on continue. This is the preferred settings. You can do the custom also, but we don't need to do that. For us, we just keep it simple. Just continue your WordPress username. Since I'm using it on localhost, I'm just putting in very, basic, but please make sure while working on the live, never put your username as simple as this or your password as simple as this, right? So it's just admin. You can put in your email, but the emails won't might not get delivered because it's working on the local server. So that's why the emails might not get delivered. So you can put your email over here. Okay. Now click on add site. Now it will take a little time and it will install and everything would start running. But now let me just talk about this. There's going to be probably some permissions that they're going to ask. So if they ask for any permissions, just click on yes. All right. If they ask for any permissions in duration of the setup or in duration of, while creating this website, just click on yes. All right. Now, as I was telling you, this WAMP, there are multiple softwares to do this, achieve the same thing, that install WordPress locally on your computer and be able to actually work on it and for practice and demo purposes, right? Now, for us, we are using local. The other softwares I've already created a video for WAMP, right? You can find it in the description. I'll put it there. That is using the WAMP. So there are multiple softwares like MAMP, XAMPP, AMPS, right? So multiple softwares, but those softwares, the problem is you have to configure the database. There's a whole series of steps that you need to follow. But with this particular software, you don't need to. You just install it, create your account, and then actually, if you can see my screen, the site has been installed. Okay, so that is all I had to do. I did not have to go through any complex procedures, right? Creating databases, changing the WP, the content, any files inside my WordPress directory or anything in relation to that, right? I just put my name, put my passwords, and the login details. That's all, and my site is created. Right now, make sure over here you see once I created it, it's already showing me stop site. So that means my site is started. But if in case I close this and reopen this, make sure over here I have all the sites. All my sites would be listed here. Whichever site that I want, I'll click over here and click on start site. If you don't do that, then this won't work. Okay, so make sure you start the site first. If it's already started, well and good. If not, then make sure you start the site. After this, you have two options. Click on WP admin and put in your password or open the site. But before clicking on admin, make sure you have this one click admin checkup so that you don't have to, log in through your password. You don't have to put in your login credentials. Then it will directly log in for you. Like it will tell you all the, the user. So mine is admin. I'll just click on WP admin. Once I do that, it opens up the dashboard backend and my WordPress is installed. I can see it in the front end also. So this is the site. It's pre-installed and now I can start working on this. Right. So this is fairly easy, very simple. I hope so. This is all clear to you. And that's all for this video, guys. So thank you for watching this video.